Hello friends, welcome back to my channel How To. I am Sabhi. Today I will tell you how to download and use SANDES app. So let's begin how to do this, how to download the SANDES app. First we have to do, I have provided the link in the description. You can go there and click on the link so that it will be directed to the site. So now I am going to open it. Open the site, search GIMS. If you are using an Android, then the name of app name is GIMS, and if you are using iPhone, then the app name is SANDES. So this is the interface of that GIMS.gov.in, from where you can download the app. You have two options here. You can clearly see in the interface. The first one is Android, then second one is iOS. So download the Android app. Click on the link, click on the download 20205. This is about 29 MB, so click here. It will take some moment. Then go to download. Now you can see the file is downloading, so you have to wait for a minute or a couple of minutes. So let's wait. Okay, now the file has been downloaded. You can see here open. Now go click on the open here. Do you want to install this application? Yes, install. The installation process will begin. Now it has already been started, so you have to wait. Now app has been installed. Now what do you have to do? Open it. GIMS permission. Yes. Okay. You have to click on OK. You have to allow all these things, then you can log in by using your mobile number or email ID. I am going to log in. I am going to sign up by using my mobile number. I have to click it here. 797. Now get OTP. Click on OTP. Autofill. Okay, the OTP has been filled up in the blank space. Now move to next. Skip. Sync. Now synchronization process will begin. It will take a moment. After 20 to 30 seconds, the interface will open. Okay, now you can see this is the interface of GIMS app. Here you can find four options: chat, groups, contacts, and setting. If you want to keep backups, then click here on backup. It will take you to your memory card or phone memory. You can select any folder so that you can use that folder as a backup of your charts or media files. So I'm not going to do right now. You can use it, you can make it as per your wish. So I'm moving to the main interface. This is interface where you can add contact here you can add contact, or you can chat, new contact, you can add new contact here, and this way you can use this app. So friends, I hope you like this video and this information is useful for you. If you really like this video, please hit a like and share this video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed yet, I would like to request you to please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that the notification will pop up on your screen fast. So thank you guys.